To start, place the first end post where you've determined proper blocking. Square the post with the deck and mark the 4 holes for the screws. Drill pilot holes and fasten the screws, but keep it loose for adjustments. Measure the distance between the posts and cut the top and bottom rail accordingly. Insert the rails into the posts. Now plumb the post using the level and shims to center the bubble on both sides. Fasten the bottom rail using the 1.5-inch screw going from inside the channel and into the post hole. Do this on both sides to secure the bottom rail. You'll need additional posts if your project requires corners or spans over 6 feet. The ends of the rails must have 45-degree cuts to fit into the corner posts. For line post, the top rail can slide through the post. The included splice can also be used to connect 2 rails inside the post. Clip on spacers on the bottom rail, stopping just before the final one. To have equal spacing on both ends, first slide the spacer 1 notch length using another spacer as a guide. Then measure the distance between the post and the spacer edge and divide it in half. Now take that number and mark the spacer starting from inside the notch. To cut the spacer, attach it on a spare top rail and cut slowly. Clip on the starting spacers, one replacing the bottom and one on top. Now insert the pickets into the bottom rail. Next, in sequence, clip the spacers onto the top rail, then slide the pickets into the notches. For the ending spacer, mark the exact distance on the spacer, then cut and clip on. Remove the post caps and attach the rail from inside the post. Make sure to grip and push the rail and the post together while fastening. To finish, attach the base plate covers using the Phillips head screws. For extra support and longevity, the included support bracket may be installed.